So let me play to show you the final result. So
in this video, I'll be showing you the link shortener, which is called primelink.net, that actually used to shorten most of my affiliate link to actually achieve greater results. So the first thing is to actually go to get your affiliate link. So you are going to copy the affiliate link copy, then come over to Prime Link.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step guide on exactly how you can adopt your YouTube channel to any language you actually want. So we are going to be using this particular tool, which is called Speechify.com. So with this particular tool, you can be able to adopt your YouTube video into Spanish, to French, to German, to Portuguese, to Arabic language, depending on the language you actually want to use. And one of the advantages of using this particular AI tool is the fact that you can be able to choose AI voices that actually resonate with the country you want to target. For example, I'm from Nigeria and I actually have Nigeria accent. So most of the time, whenever I'm trying to make a content that resonates with USA audience, most of the time they don't understand what I'm saying because I'm not actually from United States. So I think this is one of the best options I can actually use. So I'm going to be using this one of my video to actually demonstrate how you can actually do it correctly. So I'm going to play this video to show you my own voice. So in this video, I'll be showing you the link shortener, which is called primelink.net, that actually used to shorten most of my affiliate link to actually achieve greater. So as you can see, this is my voice. This is one of the videos I've made. I actually got a lot of complaint that people saying they don't really understand what I'm saying due to the fact that the accent, I'm actually using Nigerian accent. So you can actually use this particular tool to actually create a video that resonates with USA audience or any audience you're actually targeting. So if you want to do that, you are going to come to speechify.com. So this is the website. I'm going to drop the link inside the video description for you to actually join. So you are going to actually come to this website, then click on try for free. You can actually try this particular website for free. Try for free over here. Then it's going to load up a page for us to actually continue with the process. So you are going to choose your intention of using this particular tool. So you can actually choose, maybe you want to use it for article and story. So let's choose article and story, then click on continue. You are going to actually click on continue once again. So it actually have a lot of feature. So what do you like to say about Speechify? So these are basically some questionnaire about Speechify. So let's say stay focused and engaged, then click on continue. So how do you want to use this particular tool? So I'm going to be using it on my smartphone, also on my laptop, then on my tablet. So then click on continue. So then click on continue once again. So over here, how do you want to listen? So during the study time, so I think all this questionnaire is not necessary. So then click on continue, then continue once again.
Welcome to Speechify. Speechify can read to you in the highest quality digital voices available anywhere.
So click on continue once again, then continue once again. So you are going to sign in or sign up with your email. I already have an account with this particular software, so I'm going to sign in over here. So but if you are just starting out, you are going to enter your email, enter your password, then click on sign up, confirm your email, then be able to get access to this particular tool. So I'm going to log in to show you exactly how you can be able to use this tool to create highly engaging audio. So click on sign up over here. So as you can see, if you are signing up for the first time, you can actually start for free trial. You can start 3 days free trial and be able to test out this particular tool and see if it's actually worth your money or not. So I already have an account with them and I've signed up and subscribed for their yearly plan, which is very, very cheap compared to what you are going to get using this particular tool. So I'm going to go over to my dashboard. So this is my dashboard. So you are going to click on create a new project over here. Then you can actually choose either their voiceover. You are going to copy your text and be able to get highly engaging voiceover. So but we are going to be focusing on dubbing option. Click on dubbing over here. Then you are going to see the next thing we are going to do over here. One important thing you have to notice, you have to copy this particular YouTube channel you want to dub. So I'm going to copy this YouTube channel, copy, then wait for this particular interface to load up. So this is the dashboard for us to actually upload our video. So you have to click on upload, click here to upload. You can upload either MP3 or MP4 if you already have the video downloaded on your laptop. So all you have to do is to upload it. And if you actually want to do it directly, you can actually go over to your YouTube video, copy the YouTube video link, then come over to the option. Then you are going to paste the video link over here. Then you are going to choose the number of speakers. So I'm the only one talking inside the video, so I'm going to choose one. Then you are going to choose the language, the language is actually English language. Then if you actually want to remove all the filter word like or all those kind of word, you are going to click on remove filter word. Extract pause from audio, like maybe when you pause and when you actually continue. So you are going to click on submit after choosing all this option. Please ensure that you choose this option. Using auto detect might make the video to be very very long, like if it take like hours for it to actually process. So you help the AI by actually choosing those options. Then click on submit. Then you are going to wait for maybe 15 minutes or 10 minutes for this particular AI to do transcription of our video and be able to actually give us a very good voiceover. So as you can see, the video is processing and it's 10%. So I'm going to pause this video, wait for like 15 minutes or so for it to actually process this video, and this has saved into draft. So I'm going to click on it to actually show you the dashboard so that you can be able to edit it. I'm able to change the language or change the voiceover. So as you can see, this is the dashboard and it has actually done automatic transcribing of the video. So we have the text file. So one important thing you can do is to ensure we cross-check all those texts to see whenever we actually make mistake, we can actually correct it using this particular tool. So if you actually see any mistake or the pronunciation is not so good, you can actually correct it over here. So, and one important thing you have to do is to ensure you edit the speaker. So as you can see, the transcription is in English language. You can add another translate if you want to translate to another country language, maybe German or English or Spanish or any language you actually want to use. So let's assume that I want to use this one in particular, then actually change the voiceover, the person that will be doing the voiceover. So I'm going to click on edit speaker, click on edit speaker, then I'm going to choose the voiceover I will want to use. So there are a lot of voiceover over here. There are several voiceover. So the American voiceover, British voiceover, even Nigeria voiceover is actually there. So it depends on the audience you actually want to target. So you can preview most of them. So let's preview this Oscar.
Hi, my name is Oscar. I am an English voice.
So as you can see, this voice is very very calm and very very cool. If it can actually work well if you are targeting US audience. So let's just use this voiceover. Let's just use it as example. So you are going to click on edit over here. Click on edit. And this voiceover is going to be updated. So it's not going to be my own voiceover again, rather than the voiceover we actually choose with speechify.com. So I'm going to wait for a while. So it's going to take like 1 minute for you to upload this voiceover. So, and if you observe that this particular voiceover is not pronouncing some word correctly, you can actually use the pronunciation lab. So you can actually add the correct way of pronouncing them using this particular option. So that one is for later editing. So as you can see, we already added another voiceover, and let's play it to show you the sample. So let's play it over here.
I'll be showing you the link shortener, which is called primelink.net, that actually used to shorten most of my affiliate link to actually achieve greater results. So the first thing is to actually go to get your affiliate link. So you are going to copy the affiliate link copy, then come.
So as you can see, the reason why I'm kind of hearing crack noise is the fact that this video have background music. So I can do as well by removing the background music later. So as you can see, all you have to do is to actually change your voiceover. There are a lot of voiceover you can use, several, all of them, depend on the country you are actually targeting. So after you are done with updating and you observe that this particular voiceover is good and you want to export, all you have to do is to click on export over here. Then you can actually export the video, you can export the subtitle, or you can export the audio. So for exporting, there are credits that is going to be assigned for you to export. So I'm going to be exporting the video to show you the final result of this video. So let me export and show you. So finally, the video has been exported successfully. So let me preview to show you the final result of our video and how you can easily download this video. So as you can see, this is the video. So let me play it to show you the final result. So
in this video, I'll be showing you the link shortener, which is called primelink.net, that actually used to shorten most of my affiliate link to actually achieve greater results. So the first thing is to actually go to get your affiliate link. So you are going to copy the affiliate link copy, then come over to Prime Link. So we're going to paste the link over here, then click on shortening. So this particular link shortener, which is called...
So as you can see, I actually have a great result with this particular tool. So suppose there's no background music at with this video, I would have gotten a very clear voiceover. So if you want to upload any video, ensure that there's no background music, ensure that you actually upload the raw video, and you're going to get a better result. So all you have to do is to download this video and be able to re-upload this to your YouTube channel and grow your YouTube channel more faster. I hope this video actually help you out. If you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be able to see more videos just like this. And also, I'm going to be dropping the link to Speechify inside the video description so that you can try them out and give me feedback whenever you use them. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.